Consumer affairs officers are now equipped with the tools to better conduct investigations. This stemmed from an investigative and case management seminar this week led by the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution.
For everyone to know the better and best practices in terms of investigation techniques, etc., and to have a clear understanding of what court procedure is all about and how to present matters before the court. So I'm giving them a practical approach of how court proceedings are, explaining to them so that they would be very comfortable or more comfortable in understanding what is to be expected at court.
What are the biggest things there? What are the biggest concerns?
For them is investigative techniques and procedures and best practices, which we have touched on during the course of the instructions.
The Consumer Affairs Ministry is hopeful that this training will lead to more accurate and thorough investigations.
Whenever we receive consumer complaints, we have to investigate that complaint, and so what we're doing is to ensure that the staff are able to effectively conduct these investigations.
Okay, and how long is the training for?
So it's a 2-day training, and it has been taking place from yesterday to today, a whole day training.
What are some of the things that the concerns that the staff have been so far?
Okay, so a lot of the concerns are even basically in terms of the legislation. We've been enlightened a bit more in terms of the legislation and how much we're empowered as investigation officers, what we can do under the law, what we cannot do, and how careful we should be in conducting our investigations.
The workshop is also geared towards the empowerment of consumer affairs employees following the implementation of the Consumer Protection Tribunal and Council.
We have been undergoing a series of training to ensure that the staff of the Consumer Affairs Department are well able and empowered to be able to represent the consumers. So this isn't just another series. We earlier last year we did training on the Consumer Protection Act. We did training on report writing.
In 2022, St. Lucia established the Consumer Protection Council to address the concerns of aggrieved consumers. Consumers can download a complaint form online from the ministry's website or visit the office to lodge complaints with supporting documents. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.